Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free cloud certified architect certification 2026. You can save up to $99 AI certifications. So Cloudy Certified Architect Foundation is the official certification from Anthropic that validates your expertise in the building production grade AI application using the cloud. It's demonstrate your ability to design AI system, workflows, real world generative AI solutions. So become a certified. So prove your skill in the designing scalable AI solution and working with the this ecosystem. So certification highlights is there. So this is the approx 301 level exam for the practitioners with foundational AI knowledge. So 120 minutes exam result within 2 business day and get a digital certificate recognized by the companies using the cloud. So early access benefit 100% free for the first 5,000 participants. Regular price is later $99 and not current available for the an- Anthropic partner companies and eligible students. So register for the exam. So you can go through this URL. Let me open this URL. So become a certified architect, prove your expertise in the building production grade application with the Cloudy. And then you can register for the exam, download for the exam guide. So if you go for the download for the exam guide, it will give you the all the instruction and all the details about that. Approx 40 pages are there. You can go through one by one if you're going for the exam. Next, there is exclusive for the Anthropic partners and 120 minutes exam. So complete 60 minutes choice, multiple choice question end to end with a single session, no external resources or breaks. Your score report. So result will be in the 2 business day with the detailed section breakdowns, digital certificate recognized by the companies using the cloudy and free for the early access. So free for the first 5,000 partners, companies, employees or general available. This one for the $99. Okay. So we'll go through the registration. So first I'll go for the sign up. So here your name, email address. I'm putting my college email address, password, company is optional, but this is optional. So I'm going to sign up. So you can provide your college email address. So when after doing this, you will get a mail. So email confirm your registered email address. So access request or access the content. Just let me click both. So we have done this. So both are same and all are same. After login, you will getting the same URL. So now there is a curriculum is there. Cloudy Certified Architect Foundation access. So click there. So access start. So I'm agree and submit this. So now click on the next. Now we have done this. So let me start the access. So after doing this, you will get a mail. So this exam is here. So click there. So first start. So your exam guide is this. You can go through this. FAQs are there. You may also access the practice exam. So click there. So there is a total 60 question. Passing score is 720 and time limit is 90. So the main exam will be looks like this, and other contents are there. So when you start, begin section. So the documents PDF cannot fetch, which design the system handling is the most efficient way to handle the failure. So you can give the exam of this. Next, let me go through this. So click on next. So all the term and conditions are there. Now you can start, and this is a term and condition you can download and you can go through this. So after completing this exam, you will get a certificate. So get a digital certificate recognized by the companies using the cloud, and early access. You will all the details I have told you, and 120 minutes exam, that is 60-minute multiple choice. Sorry, 60 multiple choice questions are there. Okay, so you they won't allow to just break the questions before break between the 120 minutes. So be prepared for that, and result will be 2 business days, and all the details are there. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free cloud certified architect certification 2026 exam and voucher. Step by step process I have shown you, and go through this. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.